Well, good evening. On behalf of William Reed Business Media and British Baker, I would like to welcome you all to the Hilton Park Lane. Can you believe that tonight we have all gathered here for the 24th Baking Industry Awards?
I've never been to a warmer award ceremony than this one tonight. It's extraordinary. It really is.
The winner of the Rising Star Award is Melissa Morgan.
This year's the Vendor Maltsters Baker of the Year 2011 is Robert Ditty.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the Lifetime Achievement Award, and of course the founder of Donut Week, is Christopher Freeman.